Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 9. So this module, we're going to be talking about regular AR verbs. So we already learned some irregular verbs like ser, tener, estar. Now we have regular verbs that end with AR and also yes/no questions. So this will be the topic for this module and the next module. It's really important. It's like one of the most basic, like foundational topics in Spanish. So we really want to make sure we get it over this week and next week. So make sure you go through the readings and the videos about that. We have here again pronunciation review because this module we have the second pronunciation project. So for the assignments, we have the homework packet, like always, and the quiz, like always, and then the second pronunciation project. So if you got an A on the first pronunciation project, you can choose to count that grade towards your second project. Like you don't have to submit the second project. Just send me an email if you want to use your grade from the first one. Again, that's if you got an A on the first one. If you didn't, then you have to do the second one. I highly recommend if you got a C or like a low B on the first one, if you want to meet with me on Zoom or in person, whatever, definitely send me an email because it would probably help a lot for you to go over your pronunciation, like to read through the project with me before you submit it. So again, that's the main things to work on this week. So the homework packet, pronunciation project, and the quiz. And we will continue with the topic of AR verbs next week as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.